Today we're going to add a little more sound in this 2018 Mustang GT with a custom Accelatec exhaust from Accelatec. This Accelatec quad-tip Accelatec exhaust system is going to figure 2018 through 2020 Mustang GT without the active exhaust system. This is going to feature 409 stainless steel mandrel bent piping and 409 stainless steel mufflers into a set of quad 304 stainless steel polished tips. It includes the clamps necessary and will require cutting, but it's a very basic install. For this installation, with a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/8 ratchet, 13mm socket, marker, sawzall, file, and safety glasses. So to install our Accelatec exhaust, we do have to cut. And what you're gonna do is basically cut right in this section here. But the best thing to do is hold up the muffler. That'll give you an idea right where the pipe's gonna come and figure out where you wanna make your cut. Line this pipe up with the outer, line the hanger up, and you can see it's gonna come right through here. The edge of the pipe will be there. So we're gonna cut right about there. When we cut, the pipe's gonna drop and this is gonna go up and hit the valance. So what we're gonna do, just take some of the packing that's included with our new exhaust, stick it in there. That'll protect the valance from the exhaust tip. Once you get it cut, slide it off the hanger. And now we're going to clean this up a little bit. Grab a clamp. Put it up into the hanger. And slide it over the part we just cut. And we're just going to snug this clamp up for now. Grab the tip now with another clamp. And tighten it down. And then repeat the process on the other side and your installation's finished. All right, so let's see how they sound. Doesn't sound a heck of a lot louder than stock, but has a much deeper tone and a little bit of raspiness to it. The Accelatec Accelatec adds a nice deep tone, and the double wall polished tips look a lot better than the stock tips do. Installation is pretty straightforward. Give yourself about an hour and a half or so, and you'll be back on the road in no time.